Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be kind of doing a review on the new FARRAH brushes rose gold collection that I purchased. I kind of do this fun smoky eye look today. These are the brushes that I am kind of reviewing today. They come in this really cute container and it is rose gold, which I love. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look with these fun brushes, make sure to keep watching. Started, I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. For primer, I'm just going to be going in with the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Under my eyes, just to help with the creasing from the foundation, I am going to be going in with the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. This stuff has really been working to help with my under eyes. So I am using a beauty blender to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to be using my Urban Decay D-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. And I'm going to be putting that all over the beauty sponge to get it wet. For my foundation, I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade Punjab. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I am in the shade Medium 1 Custard. Alright guys, my camera decided to shut off on me. Luckily I caught it in time, but all you missed is I just blended out all of my concealer. So all of that is done. Next up, I'm going to be cream contouring today, so I'm just going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer again. Except I'm going to be going in with the shade Amande. I'm just going to be going in with an old brush of mine to contour out my nose. And so I'm just going down the bridge of my nose and I'm just working in my concealer. To set my face, I'm just going to be going in the DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder. And I will be using my beauty sponge to blend it out. I'm just going to press it into my skin. Okay guys, now that my whole face is done and set, I am gonna now introduce my new brushes. I got the new FARRAH collection. I am so excited to use these. I love that it comes in a case. It has clasp on both sides and it just comes in this cute little container. Perfect for traveling or just having your brushes in front of you and not having to take them out of a bag. Here they are. I got the rose gold collection. They are so pretty, you guys, and it honestly gives you so many choices for your eyes and even your face. So I'm really excited to use these today. I did go in with the beauty sponge on my face just because I like that airbrush look when applying foundation and all my concealers. So I'm excited to now use these on the rest of my face. So first I'm just going to warm up my face a little bit. I'm going in with the NARS bronzer. I got it last week. It is in the shade Casino. I really feel like this bronzer has worked better with my skin and I've loved it. I feel like it works better than the Makeup Revolution, probably just because it is the same brand as my foundation and my concealers, so I feel like it just works with my foundation better. To blend that out, I am going to be using the FARRAH brush. It is a large angled contour brush. It is number 30F. I'm just going to be dabbing that in there. And I'm just going to be going in the places that I placed my dark creamy concealer. Okay, I love how small this brush is because I feel like I can really be accurate with where I'm placing my product. I've really been wanting to get a whole set of brushes instead of just buying like a bunch of random brands. So I was really excited to get this the other day. It actually came in the mail yesterday. Ordered it last week. And it didn't come in time before I had to do my makeup for work. I was so sad. So I was really excited to do this video today to be able to show it with you guys. So I am just dabbing that in. It looks really good, you guys. Love it. I'm going to be going in with a large powder brush, number 50F. It's just a nice big fleshy brush. And I'm going to be applying that to my neck. Oh my gosh, you guys, this brush is so fluffy. It feels so good. Next, I'm going to be doing blush. I'm going in with the NARS. It is in the shade Deep Throat. I did a review on this in my last video, and I love this shade. Works really well with my skin. I am going to go in with the FARRAH brush. It's the Stippler brush, 40F. I feel like this will be really good for my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be doing highlighter. I'm going in with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skinfinish. Now this kit came with a fan brush. I have never applied my highlighter with a fan brush, so I am so excited to use this. It is 28F. And oh my god, I don't even know. I'm so excited. Okay. I see you. It's actually really nice. I feel like it makes it look really airbrushed. I feel like my other one did that I used before, but I just feel like this one is really nice. Next, I am going to be going back in with my NARS bronzer, and I'm going to quickly contour my nose. I think I'm going to use this angled brush. It is 55E. I'm just going to be going down my nose just to make that contour pop. And same with underneath my lip. I'm going to just put some lip gloss on quick. Okay, you guys, I am going to be going for more of a smoky eye for the look today. I have a party I'm going to tonight. It is Halloween, spooky season. And since I work tonight and I don't get done till 9, I want to have my eyes already set. I am going to be doing the skeleton look tonight. So I do want a black smoky eye for that. So that's the look I'm going to be doing in this video. So I am going to go in with the Smashbox Full Exposure Palette. Here are the shades. I feel like it has some really nice darker tones that I can use. So to go all over my eye, I am just going to be going in with this middle shade. And for the brush, I'm using the Tapered Blending Brush 35E for the FARRAH. And I'm just going all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be using a darker gray. And I'm using the same brush. And I'm just going to start in the lid and work my way in. I want it to go on like the full outer lid and then all the way to the inner. But I'm making sure you really, the trick to blending is holding your brush loosely and just going back and forth with your motions. I'm going to quickly do the same to the other eye. I'm going to go under my eye with the same shade. And I'm just connecting that line. Next, I'm going to be just going in with the black shade. I'm using the short shading brush 45E. I do want it to have more of a smaller tip so I can get a nice fine shadow. So I am just doing that on the outer part of my lid. I'm just going to quickly apply it to the other eye. I'm going to go in with the blender brush 25E and just really blend that out. And I'm just going to kind of drag it into the under eye. Any excess black that's left over on my brush. Okay guys, so for work I feel like this is the darkest smoky eye I am going to go. Later on I will darken it up probably tonight just because I want it to be extra dark since I am going to be doing Halloween makeup tonight. I want it to be very dramatic, but for work, I have to have it a little toned down. The inner corners of my eye, I'll be going in with the Morphe 35V palette. You guys have seen me use this one before and I love the shades. To give the look a little bit of pop, I am going in with the shade Knockout and I'm using the brush 10F. It's a concealer brush, but since it is such a matte and dense brush, I feel like this is good for sparkle finishes. This is kind of like a champagne color, but I'm just putting it in the corner of my eye just to give it a little more openness in the inner corners. I don't want too much. I'm going to do my brow bone slightly. For my brows, I go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I am in the shade Ebony. I'm just going to quickly knock these out. I start by brushing them upward. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I just like to brush up my brows to make sure they look a little fuller. For my eyelashes, I am going to be putting Falsies on. This is from the Lash Lookbook I showed you guys in last week's video. I love these lashes. I feel like they are glam, but they look a bit more natural. I feel like the length was perfect, so I am going to be using these today. I am going to quickly go off camera and get these done, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so my lashes are on. To finish, I am going in with my NARS pink lip gloss I always go in with, and it is Turkish Delight. This is honestly my new favorite lip gloss. Okay you guys, so I think this is going to be the final look. If you like this makeup look, make sure to like below, comment, and subscribe, and share. And if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials like this, where I try new products, new brushes, new anything, make sure you comment below and just let me know. And if you have any other makeup suggestions. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.